Let's have a look at the government of Czech Republic. It's currently offering scholarships, and the deadline for applications is 30 September. So you probably have a few weeks left to submit your application. So we'll have a look at the requirements and how you can apply for this scholarship. Here is just general information about the scholarship if you are interested in the history of the scholarship. And also, these are the eligible countries. So, only if you come from one of these countries can you apply for the scholarship. If you don't see your country listed here, then it means you do not qualify for the scholarship. So this is for masters, by the way. It's only for masters, not PhD. You need to understand that when you do your masters in Czech, you do your masters and then plus a 1 year long preparatory course of the Czech language. So in addition to your master's studies, you have to do like a 1 year learning the Czech language. And also, you should have a bachelor's degree for you to qualify for the scholarship. And there are some selected studies for the scholarship. So it's not like you're going to apply to any program that you want. You need to check here. You click where it says selected areas of study. So they've selected some programs or some courses that you can apply for. So you need to check if the course that you are interested in or a course that is close to what you are looking for is one of the selected areas of study. I've put the link to the scholarship in the video description. Go and check that link, and also remember to join my Patreon through the link in the video description as well. Patreon is where I do scholarship updates, so you can download the app and get fast scholarship updates from there. So it says depending on the subject area, depending on the area that you are going to choose, you are normally required to sit an exam. So you have to take an exam at the university that you are interested in, and then upon successful passing of that particular exam, then that is a precondition for the scholarship award. So it will depend. When you are going through the area that you're interested in, please make sure that you read and understand the instructions, what is required, and if you are required to take that exam. The language of instruction is English. You have to submit an online application form. So when you are ready, you just click an electronic application form and then you can start your application and submit before the deadline. And then at the bottom here, there are some documents that are linked to assist you. Like here you find the guidelines. You can go and read more about the scholarship, download the PDF, take some time to read the whole PDF and understand more on the scholarship guidelines. And also, if you have some questions, and you can download the PDF document to check some FAQA to probably your question may be answered on that document. If not, then you can send an email to this email address to find out more about the scholarship. I offer one-on-one private mentorship. So if you need assistance with your scholarship application, you need guidance, you need me to show you how to apply, please do sign up for my one-on-one private mentorship through the link in the video description. All the best with your application.